Looking for high quality day trading education and professional trade dissection and analysis, you've come to the right place. I'm Pat Mitchell. I've been a professional day trader for the past 11 years, and I'm here to give you that very thing, high quality day trading education for free right here on YouTube and on X. So today we are going to be discussing a couple of trades that we took. One trade in particular that we ended up going long into some moving averages, and I'll explain what the trade plan was, the entries, the exits, all of that in this video. And locking in from best entry to best exit, 75%, which is insane, within under 30 minutes, about 20 minutes is all it took. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. So give me 1 sec. I'm going to queue up the charts, and then we shall rock and roll, folks. Okay, so now that we are in the charts, we have Qs and we have SPY. As always, if this is your, if you're a returning viewer, you know that this is what we trade. We do this every single day. Professionals always stick to plans. They never, aren't using scanners and all that bullshit and nonsense out there, guys. Don't argue with me on that. It's about consistency. It's about having a relationship with these stocks, understanding how they move day in, day out. The more variables you take out of the equation, the easier this becomes. And then it becomes a game of insane consistency, which for anyone that has watched this channel, you see that level of consistency. Every single recap, every single day that I post, I share all my entries, all my exits. That seems to come up quite often where people are asking about the price. So give me 1 sec. I'm just going to explain a few things of what you're seeing on these screens for those that may be a little inexperienced. That way you can maybe follow along a little bit better. So right here are my charts. These are the charts, obviously, that I trade off of every single day. These blue levels or trend lines, but blue levels are the levels that have been struck prior to the market open. So at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the open, I go over every single trade plan. Those are the trades we take. We don't deviate. I shouldn't say we never deviate, but we don't deviate. Those levels that we see on the charts, those are our main trades. So with that said, when you see those, it's not marking high of day or low of day, but that's how well these levels work. They work extremely, extremely well. So then we have my entries charts. You can see the blue triangle is my entry. The red are my exits. This is my P&L. This is the level 2. These are the options chain. So now that all of that is said, let's go into these trades. So give me 2 seconds. Somebody's just pulled up here, and I'm in the middle of nowhere in Costa Rica. So 1 sec. Sorry about that, folks. 1 sec, 1 sec. Kind of looks like we've got some contractors showing up, but once I'm done here, he's going to get, we'll figure out who he is and whether he should be here or not. So, okay, we'll get cracking here. I want to get this done now. So on Qs, we had a very simple, easy peasy type of short. Market opens up, pushes into pre-market highs, execute that trade, start averaging in on that push. Very easy for the short. So execute, pay myself, lock in. Once it fails and doesn't want to continue on, I simply stop out. I always cut these trades. I'm never married to these trades. So on this one here, locking in $1,660 on this trade. And then let's get to the big boy, Qs. Qs long. Qs long was a very... it was a trade that I worked over and over and over again because of the setup, because of how the market has been trading. We were at a 50% rough retracement from this big red day, generally speaking, especially if there is a technical level of support. We have moving averages. We have this day's lows. There's a lot of support there. it's going to hold. There will be buyers there, and that's exactly what happened. So market opens up, kind of pisses around, sells off straight down into the 5 EMA. I know on the daily chart it represents the 9 EMA. It wasn't, not at that time. The trade plan was to start into the 5. Remember, those are very short-term moving averages, and they get pushed and pulled very easily throughout the course of the day. But executed the trade long coming into the 5 EMA, risking the 9 EMA. And essentially, I would have added down there. Now, it didn't test the 9, but you can see I was just simply playing with the chart. Enter in, pay myself, which is what I did. Then comes down, still within my risk tolerance, enter again on that nice big wash, further correcting the average and making it a better average. And then once it comes up into this level, highs, this technical 1 minute level, I'm paying myself. It pulls back with volatility, a nice wash candle. I'm going to take that, use that to my advantage, add, pay myself, add, pay myself, add. Once I start seeing this thing, it's holding, that's where you see that double entry. So it's a matter of price action. Remember, don't discount experience. I've been doing this a long time, and when I know these things are about to push, I get in, and I get in with size. So double whammy, just bang, bang entries, and then pay myself back into that resistance, as always, as any true professional should and would, and then simply hold a small amount of size on the way up. So locking in $5,502 on that, which works out to be about 75% from lows to highs, all within 30 minutes. Incredible. That's the potential of this strategy. It is a simple strategy. I keep it very simple. It's something that I teach each and every day. If you want to learn how to be a professional trader and actually find true consistency, come to tricktrades.com. If you don't want to, that's okay. Enjoy my free content, guys. It's solid. Go through all of the videos. There are hundreds of videos that are all detailed day trading, technical, as well as psychology and mentality lessons. Don't sleep on those videos, guys. And if this is your first time viewing, please make sure you like. That's all you owe me. If this is the second time that you are reviewing my channel, or viewing my channel, I should say, you have to subscribe. If this is your second time and you're not subscribed, you have to subscribe. Don't be stealing from me. It's a two-way street, ladies and gents. I would do it for you. Don't be a vulture. Just subscribe if this is your second time. And hey, if you are subscribed, thank you. Right on. But you still owe me a like for watching the video. Again, it's a two-way street, guys. Not asking much. Okay, I hope you all have a wonderful evening. I got to go take care of this. Adios.